Today we will talk about one of Neobiotech's innovative repair solutions released in 2009, the Screw Remover Kit, or SR Kit. This kit is designed to quickly and easily remove fractured screws, making it an essential tool for implant complication management. Let's go step by step through the usage methods. First step is using the claw drill and screw remover. Most screw fractures occur due to screw loosening. With the claw drill, more than 80% of fractured screw cases can be removed successfully. First, connect the guide to the fixture to protect the internal thread during drilling. The claw drill has two claws that catch the irregular surface of the fractured screw, turning and lifting it out as it rotates. It should be rotated slowly in reverse direction at about 50 RPM and can also be used manually. Once the screw is loosened, remove it with suction or the screw remover. The second method uses the perfect guide together with the reverse drill. If the screw is fractured deeper inside, you can use the perfect guide. The perfect guide is equipped with its own fixation screw, allowing it to be secured firmly without a guide holder. Next, use the reverse drill in reverse direction at high speed, about 2000 RPM. For depth control, attach the rubber ring to easily monitor the drilling depth. Drill at least 2 millimeters deep, then use the screw remover to extract the fractured screw. At this stage, you can actually see the screw being caught in the remover and coming out. Third is using the internal guide and reverse drill. Since most screws fracture toward the outer side, the use of the perfect guide may be limited. In such cases, fix the internal guide to the fixture using the guide holder. Again, use the reverse drill in reverse direction at 2000 RPM. Attach the rubber ring to adjust and monitor drilling depth. Drill at least 2 millimeters, then remove the screw with the screw remover. The screw remover can be connected to a handpiece for removal, or it can also be used manually.